Why'd he deliver my trans in?
Low network connection. Come on. Yeah, connection available. There we go. All right, we're live. We are at my man cave, and I am getting a delivery from John Saltzman, the tranny specialist and guru. And guess what he delivered the transmission in? In his awesome chopped section and channeled, right? It's chopped section and channeled, right?
A little bit.
A little bit.
Just a little bit. It's channel 15.5 inches.
15.5 inches.
Yeah. Here.
Yeah.
Oops.
And guess what the transmission is? Oh my. Oh my, my, my.
Oh, there's my drink.
And your drink. Channeled 15.5 inches. Oh my Lord. I've watched this thing be customized over God knows how many years. And in primer and then tacked up in metal and all that other happy stuff.
Yeah.
And
The bed is only 11 inches tall.
11
inside.
inches tall. Wow.
And then with the 59 Econo cover going down in it, it's probably only 4 inches at that section.
Wow. But it looks good.
Yeah, it looks good.
It looks fantastic. So anyway, we're going to take delivery on the tranny for my Suburban. And what a way to get it delivered. I just wanted to share with you guys. Thank you, John. Love you all. See ya.